If you're using a tire pressure monitoring system on your motorcycle, you've probably faced this small but annoying problem. Every time you want to check or refill your tire pressure, you need to unscrew the sensor first. Then you need to keep it somewhere safe while filling air. After that, you have to reinstall it and make sure it's tightened properly. Over time, repeated removal and installation can cause wear on the threads. There's also the possibility of dropping the sensor, misplacing it, or damaging it accidentally. It's a small inconvenience, but one that every TPMS user experiences. That's where this simple brass T adapter comes in. At first glance, it looks like a tiny and inexpensive accessory, but once you understand how it works, you'll realize why it's such a useful upgrade. The adapter installs directly onto your tire valve stem. It then creates two separate outlets. One outlet is dedicated to your TPMS sensor. The second outlet remains available for filling air whenever required. The beauty of this design is that your TPMS sensor stays mounted all the time. Installation is extremely straightforward. First, remove your existing TPMS sensor. Install the brass T adapter onto the tire valve. Next, attach the TPMS sensor to one side of the adapter. That's it. Now, whenever you need to fill air, simply connect the air hose to the second outlet. No need to remove the TPMS. No need to unscrew anything. No need to worry about dropping the sensor or damaging the threads. The entire process becomes much faster and more convenient. Now, some riders might be wondering about wheel balance, and that's a fair question. The TPMS sensor and brass T adapter do add a small amount of weight to one side of the wheel. For most everyday riders, this may not be noticeable at all. However, if you're someone who likes everything perfectly dialed in, you can simply get the wheel balanced after installing the adapter and TPMS setup. Wheel balancing is a quick and inexpensive job, and it ensures the wheel spins perfectly smoothly. Personally, I think most riders won't notice any difference, but if you're particular about getting every detail right, balancing the wheel after installation is the ideal approach. After using this setup for a while, the biggest advantage is convenience. Something that used to take multiple steps now takes just a few seconds. It's one of those accessories that seems simple, but once you start using it, you wonder why you didn't install it earlier. Not every motorcycle accessory has to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the best upgrades are the ones that solve everyday problems. This brass TPMS T adapter is a perfect example. It's affordable, easy to install, and makes life much easier for anyone using external TPMS sensors. If you're already running a TPMS on your motorcycle, this is definitely an accessory worth considering. And if you enjoy practical motorcycle accessories and touring gear reviews, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching this short video from Mods and Rides. See you soon.